Hello, my name is Bruce Williams. I'm going to do the reflective learning process assignment. So going over the first point, you asked reflect on your overall performance in this course. I'll say that I did quite well in this course as I got the homeworks done on time. My first exam grade was a 90, second was an 85, third was an 85. So I did good overall in this course. I would say my room for improvement, maybe my studying habits for the last two exams. I was hoping to get higher than an 85. Because in the first exam, I would say I probably studied more. Second exam, I still studied. And third, I still studied, but I feel like I could have studied more to achieve a higher grade. And then next question was what I've learned, highlight key concepts, skills, or experiences gained from this course. I would say that I took AP chemistry and I got a 4 in the exam. So I was able to skip over 1045, or I did 1045, but in AP chemistry. And I would say this really helped me understand the workings of a college chemistry course because it's technically my first time taking a course like this. I'd say the only two things that I didn't go over in AP chemistry were intro to orgo and nuclear chemistry. I found nuclear chemistry very interesting. We went over beta particles, positrons, alpha particles, and things of that nature. I found it interesting, like the biological effects nuclear of nuclear chemistry and how like this many sieverts could cause death and then lower dose causes like mild symptoms like lower white blood cell counts and things like that. Also found it interesting like the half-life was kind of similar to chapter 14, which I thought would be different because it was a radioactive isotope. And the last thing in that chapter that I would say was very intriguing was I would say it's like the differences between each particle and how alpha particles can go through this, but gamma particles go through all of them except like a water barrier. That was another very interesting topic. I would say in orgo, my favorite topic was the naming. But I like naming with the bond lines. That was the most interesting part, where it'd be like a line and then would branch off. And also like alkalines, alkalines, their formulas. I'd say it was a good intro to orgo chem. I think you did a good job on that. And then challenges faced in this course. Discuss the challenges you've encountered. I would say that the challenge, the most difficult challenge would probably be electrochemistry, because even during AP chemistry, we didn't really get deep into electro, so I was kind of still, I didn't know electro well. I feel like you did a good job teaching it, and it was just challenging at first trying to remember like which was an anode, cathode, salt bridges, and stuff like that. But I would say the best way to overcome the challenge was to just study the topic more and more. I would say that. Now the next point is share your long-term personal goal or professional goal, and explain what's important to you. I would say my professional goal would be becoming a doctor. I've always been interested in that. Probably like a surgeon, like a orthopedic surgeon, something like that. Because I've always been interested in medicine and like the going in depth into the human body, and taking this course was important on that journey because general chemistry is actually on the MCAT. So this is very important, topic. And then explain how subject material and goals of this course align with your life goal that contribute to your success. Actually, we just went over that, but I would say that the most important part of this for probably a medical application would be probably like more acids and bases. I feel like because we covered like blood is slightly basic, things of that nature. But I would say that besides really that topic, probably organic chemistry actually too would be very important towards career in medicine. And then probably like the biological effects of nuclear chemistry, I'd say that'd probably be it. And then, yep, that's it. Thank you for, you know, giving us a good semester. and have a good one.